Okay, you guys, this is a 2013 Dodge Avenger, and working on the airbag light. So up in here, that little yellow wire right there, that little connector, that runs up here to the top of the active headrest. So just there's a little zipper right here on the seat, so unzip it. Fortunately, you can't do that in this corner for some reason. There's no zipper, I don't think. So you just kind of peel it back and put your thumb or whatever on that yellow tab and disconnect it. And then you will see that wire, this is cut right now, but these two wires, it'll have a little yellow connector on it, and that is what's plugged up there. Now, what I think the problem is before I cut this, of course, see, I cut the yellow connector right there, is because I found these two wires were pinched. And it's not very much, but I think that is enough to stop the continuity going to the entire harness. So what I did was I cut in between, okay, this bad piece here, these two pieces of wire. So now what I have is the yellow connector. These two pieces actually look okay. They're not pinched or anything like that, or cut. Okay, so now I'm going to take that yellow connector and come back over here, and I'm going to splice the yellow connector back into these wires here, and then thereby getting rid of the kinks or the bad wires. And I'm hoping that is going to fix the light that I got on the dash. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to pull out this whole harness here because it runs down through the side over here, and then it goes underneath the seat. And actually from there it runs from the seat all the way up to the front console, like in the center console area. So hopefully I don't have to trace the entire wiring, because that could turn into a nightmare. But every video that I see is basically the wiring from the top of the headrest down to this portion here. So I am going to wire this, and then if it is successful, then I will let you guys know in the video. All right, thank you. Have a good day.